Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to learn about cyclone. Cyclone is also quite similar to tornado, but main difference between tornado and cyclone is that cyclone occurs on ocean, above the surface of ocean, and a tornado occurs on land. Okay, but both of these phenomena occur due to the pressure difference, due to the uneven heating, due to the difference between temperature. Okay, so what happens? First of all, let us see what is cyclone. It is a storm which develops over the sea and has high speed winds swirling around a low pressure center called eye. Okay, in India it is known as cyclone, and in USA it is called hurricane, and in Japan it is called typhoon. So basically what happens during daytime when sunlight heats up the surface of ocean, then the water heated up, and after that जब water गर्म हो जाएगा तो the air which is above the surface of water वो भी गर्म हो जाएगा, that will also heat up, and finally we know that warm air rises up. Okay, so while rising up it may get some cold surface, some cold atmosphere, ऊपर जाके इसे ठंडा like cold atmosphere मिलेगा, and it will the hot air will condense. जो उसके अंदर moisture होगा, in hot air there must be some moisture that will condense and it will form cloud, and during the formation of like cloud or condensation process, the water vapor will release heat, and then again the surrounding air will be hot, warm, and again the movement, the rising up of air, hot air, warm air will continues. Okay, so due to the rising up of hot air, warm air, low pressure area will be created. So क्योंकि वहाँ पे लो प्रेशर एरिया हो गया, तो जो नियर बाय सराउंडिंग एयर है ओवर द सरफेस ऑफ ओशियन, दैट विल रश टू फिल दैट pressure difference, to fill that low pressure area. Okay, so the low pressure area, the center of that low pressure area is called eye of the cyclone. तो जो surrounding cold air है that will rush towards the eye of the cyclone, and it will rush, ये सीधे straight line में नहीं जाएगा, but it will form like a circle, in a circular form, in a spiral form, it will move towards the center of the cyclone. So what happens? क्योंकि गर्म हवा ऊपर चली गई, so low pressure area is created. So nearby surrounding cold air will rush to fill the pressure difference, to fill the gap, and this is how while move, जब air move होगा तो along with air water will also move along with air, and it will ये काफ़ी ऊंचा होके मूव करेगा वाटर, मतलब हाई, द एयर एंड वाटर विल मूव विथ अ मच हायर देन द सरफेस ऑफ द ओशन, काफ़ी हाइट के साथ वो वाटर मूव करेगा टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर ऑफ द साइक्लोन. ओके, so this central part of cyclone is called eye, and its diameter is around 10 to 30 kilometer, and the eye is the very calm area, बहुत ही शांत एरिया है, because there is low pressure, and because it is very calm and cool area, there is no cloud बिल्कुल भी नहीं होगा, and surrounding the eye there will be a layer of heavy cloud region, that is called eye wall, काफ़ी heavy cloud होगा, and then all the surrounding of eye there will be cloud. मतलब कि in the cyclone it is accompanied by heavy cloud as well, and rain also occurs during cyclone. Okay, the diameter of cyclone is around 150 kilometer, इतना है इसका diameter, and speed of the wind that revolves over the towards the center of cyclone, its speed of that wind it may be like 250 किलोमीटर पर आवर, इतनी ज़्यादा स्पीड होती है उस विंड की. Okay, so in this way cyclone formed over the sea cyclone moves over the surface of sea, then sometimes it may hit ground. And while hitting ground, क्या होता है फिर, जो इसकी the hot air, the moisture, everything is not found over the ground, वो सारा कुछ वहाँ पे नहीं होगा, तो the intensity of cyclone will be वो सारा कुछ over हो जाएगा, and finally cyclone dies when it hits land. But during all this process, it will destruct lots of things, whatever things that is coming on its way. Land पे मतलब finish होने के पहले भी it can destruct so many lives, so many properties, सब कुछ को ये destroy कर सकता है. That depends upon its strength, its intensity. Okay. So what kind of precautions we should take if cyclone is like about to come on a certain area? कहीं पे अगर announce हुआ है कि cyclone can hit that particular area. First of all, the people who are living on those areas should keep purified drinking water in their houses, and always they should use purified drinking water, because the water can be contaminated due to cyclone. And they should not touch wet electric switches, and otherwise they can get shock, electrical shock. They should keep all the emergency numbers handy, सारा कुछ होना चाहिए. Whenever they are like in need, then it should be there, they can access the number. And if any warnings issued by meteorological department, that should not be ignored. They should take it seriously. अगर कुछ warnings meteorological department ने दिया है, and people should avoid driving. At the same time, the fishermen who used to go to ocean for fishing, they should also avoid to go to ocean for fishing. So in that way, public property, life can be saved. Otherwise, this is also a most disastrous, most dangerous kind of thunderstorm. This is a little bit similar to thunderstorm, but in this cyclone, in this natural phenomenon, it is like more dangerous. काफ़ी ज़्यादा public property, life can be affected due to cyclone. Okay, now you look at the screen.